somebody tell you to put your real estate investments in a trust? Watch this video to find out why this lawyer uses LLCs. A big topic that I hear is, should I put my real estate investments in a trust versus an LLC? And in this video, I'm a real estate investor. I actually own residential as well as commercial real estate in industrial triple net properties. And I'm gonna walk through some of the pros and cons about what situations are trusts better and what are LLCs better for. So if you're new to this channel, Ron from Ronald Rohde Law. I'm a commercial real estate attorney based in Dallas. I am a big investor personally myself, in addition to practicing law. And so we're going to talk a little bit about trusts. And I think that they are a great vehicle that is relatively quick. It prevents a lot of due on sale clauses or enforcement actions. The trust structure does prevent a lot of due on sale enforcement issues, but the flexibility and the liability protection is limited. I do think that you're going to be more constrained if you're working with partners or if you're trying to work in a commercial setting. And what I mean is interacting with vendors, different types of professionals that need contracts signed with the property owner. It's a little bit harder to manage as a trust. It's not as easy for other people to look at your documents and to be able to rely on them in order to do business with the property owner. Partners. This is one of the biggest issues, and I think a trust is very limiting in that it's a really good structure if it's a 100% owned by yourself, your spouse, so husband and wife, or if it's closely held within the family. You're going to have management issues. You're not going to have as easy of a time parsing out responsibilities, duties, profit sharing, fees. Those are a little bit harder to implement into a trust structure. On the other hand, let's talk about LLCs. The main benefits are ease of formation. It's a very standard entity. You're able to get anonymous formation. It's very flexible for slicing different ownership groups. You have infinite variety in terms of the governing docs. Lenders are very familiar with them, although title does transfer. And so I think that that's an important distinction with LLCs. You do run the risk of due on sale. Now, the benefits for me, and this is for me personally, is that I invest with partners. I have only a few properties that are just a single member. But if you have partners, then LLC is 100 times better for partners. And what I talk about on this channel a lot, check out my other videos, is partners equity. I think it's the best way to get into commercial real estate, and especially on bigger deals. So for all of my industrial properties, they're all held in SPE LLCs. I don't have anything in a trust, not because it isn't a good tool, but it doesn't fit my situation. I invest in commercial properties where I'm going to have an LLC or an SPE. I don't have the option of individual ownership, right? So commercial properties, and I have partners, that leads me to LLCs. Now, if you're trying to do more asset protection, more estate planning, you have that ability at the higher up levels. But for the purpose of this video, we're just going to be talking about SPE, what entity is going to hold the dirt. So to wrap up, if you're in residential or if you're a single member and you're concerned about due on sale, I think a revocable trust or a living trust, land trust is a great vehicle. They're easy to form, they cost about the same, but they're a good fit if that is your situation. If you're in commercial, if you've got partners, I don't think you should do a trust. An LLC is going to be the best way to go. Well, that wraps it up. I hope you found that useful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments down below and I'll be sure to respond to everything. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.